Inspect repaired driveway, cracks seasonally to catch shrinkage, new gaps, and surface wear before they worsen. Start by scheduling inspections at the change of each season and after any extreme weather event, so you know when to act. Check for hairline shrinkage by running a fingernail across repairs. If the edge catches, open the gap slightly with a small tool and refill with a compatible flexible filler following the manufacturer directions. Clean the area first using a stiff broom and a pressure rinse if needed to remove grit and oil that prevent adhesion, and allow full drying time, which can be up to 48 hours in cool conditions. For larger recurrences, examine subgrade movement by probing adjacent sections for soft spots and sumps that hold water. If you find these, plan corrective drainage or base repair rather than repeated surface fixes. Apply a compatible surface sealer every 3 to 5 years for asphalt or every 5 to 10 years for concrete, depending on exposure and product recommendations, and always test a small patch to confirm appearance and bonding. Document each intervention with date-stamped photos and short notes so you can spot patterns and decide when full resurfacing is more cost-effective than repeated patching. Common issues include fillers failing because the substrate was not clean or dry. Prevent that by cleaning, degreasing, and waiting until the substrate is fully dry before applying any material. Another frequent problem is using the wrong material that is too rigid for the driveway movement. Choose a flexible polymer-based sealant for joint and crack repair and read elasticity ratings, so the repair moves with the pavement. Finally, neglecting drainage leads to recurring damage. Address pooling by regrading edges, adding a channel drain, or repairing subbase so water does not undermine repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for driveway maintenance and repair, and lets contractors find work and share their services. We also host a discussion community where members exchange experience-based tips, ask questions, and post photos that make choosing the right approach easier.